Here is the first DIY I created for my craft room. A very inexpensive DIY for shelves made from rain gutters. Yes, rain gutters. This is a popular DIY on Pinterest. If you're interested in more ideas and inspiration, check it out. So let's get started. Many of you know on my Facebook and Instagram, I am creating a small craft room in my home. The video is coming soon, so you can see all the goodies I've installed in the space. This shelf unit is one of those inexpensive tools you will see in the room. This DIY cost me $16.77 for everything to create 3 shelves with plenty materials left over, which averages about $5 each shelf, which is very inexpensive for an efficient organization unit. Here's one of the shelves I've completed. It's a very pretty shelf that would look nicely in any room in the home. It's 15 inches long, and I added a label, which is optional. Let's see the materials that is needed to create this DIY. So here are the materials you will need. You need a gutter that's been measured and cut to size. The gutter costs $4.89, and I believe Lowe's will cut this for you if you need it. You need a craft board for the foundation in the shelf. This is optional. You need 2 end caps for each of the gutter shelves that you will have. They are $1.98 each. I have 3 that's from this 10-foot, so I need 6 of them. A label is also optional. Glue dots or a glue gun, whichever you prefer. You need spray paint to spray your board, and lastly, a box to elevate the board inside the gutter. So here in this clip, hubby is cutting the board or cutting the gutter down to size. Once the gutter has been cut, we will clean it with a bleach solution. The gutters can be pretty dirty inside the hardware store. Peel the tags from the end caps and add your glue to the inside lip of the cap. If you are using glue dots, I added the glue in 3 different areas inside the cap. Add the end cap to the end of the gutters. The end cap only fits one side, so you don't need to worry about gluing the wrong end. Line up the slots on the gutter and slide the end cap on. Make sure not to secure too tightly, or the cap will go on crooked. It should line up straight against the gutter. After the caps are glued and secured to the gutter, add any decor you want to install. I'm adding the Martha Stewart label plates. That would do it, my friends. Hopefully I've inspired you to create your own shelving unit made out of PVC gutters. Be looking out for the upcoming craft tour. Until then, I will be posting on my Facebook group and Instagram on my progress. So see you on the next video. Smooches!